insane. I did this video over 13 years ago. How to use hot rollers, hair basics, 1.9 million views. I'm going in my analytics and it's been viewed over 4,000 times just this past month. So I wanted to show you that your girl still got it. I mean, like, I literally still have it after 13 years. And I think when I recorded this, I've already had it for several years. As you can see, it's well loved. It's a little dusty. I'll link the original video down below, but it's so cool. I mean, this just goes to show you really don't have to buy the expensive stuff to get cute bouncy hair. The type of hair you have does factor in how it's gonna look. So like, my hair is pretty coarse and thick. If you have stick straight hair, this is not gonna work as well, and it's definitely not gonna hold. I still use Tresemme. This one is a little different. This is the Keratin Smooth Weightless Silky Shine Spray. It's probably all the same, really. Again, you don't have to buy the expensive stuff. This is drugstore. I'm just gonna run the heat protectant through. Oh my gosh, 13 years. That was before I had Juliana. She's born in October 2012. And now she's doing her own hair. She does heatless curls actually, which I need to jump on because it is the healthiest styling option for all of us. But you know what? I just don't want to sleep in it. That's the thing. So I'm just gonna grab it and just start rolling. One of the common questions I get is, it doesn't burn your fingers? And no, it doesn't burn mine. I don't know if it's because I'm immune to it or because it just doesn't heat up as hot. I mean, it is hot. Like, if the littles touch this, they would know, owie, but they wouldn't burn their fingers. In fact, I don't think Conair can do that. I mean, if it literally burns your fingers, then that's going to be an instant lawsuit. Maybe I have a high heat tolerance because I've been doing this for so many years. But what I would recommend is to get a heat protectant glove, which they sell those. I'm sure you could find them on Amazon, or you could go to the beauty store. Back when the clampless hair tools were in, I don't even know why I usually just start from the top and then go down. I don't know why I got the clip. I'm just distracted. So yes, if it does bother you, then I would buy that. Otherwise, I'd say just tough it out. You just gotta get used to it. Oh yeah, I noticed since I started from the bottom, the strands are thinner. You know, I would recommend, if you don't want to buy online, you can find these. I almost always see these at TJ Maxx, or if you go to Marshall's. I've seen the Conair ones, but they sell them with clips now. I prefer the pins because they're, to me, it's easier. I guarantee you, you will not get a hang of it right away. This is going to be a learning curve. You're gonna, especially if you have the pins, putting it in at first is not gonna be the easiest because there's like a certain way you put the pin in. I would recommend kind of put it in a slight slant so that it grips better to the hair at your scalp. I prefer the pins because it's less bulky as well. All right, so there you go. I'd say that took under 10 minutes, especially with my yapping. Depending on how curly you want this, you could keep it on until it's completely cooled. Or if you don't want it as big and curly, you could take it off within 5 minutes. At least your hair would be tamed because it does have kind of like that velvet coating, which helps smooth the hair. I'm gonna get dressed, let this cool down a bit, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Hey guys, I think it's been about 8 to 10 minutes. The hot rollers are not completely cool, slightly warm, but I'm gonna take it off because I need to actually get going. I got my little tray for my pens. And this really is my go-to when I want to look more presentable. I want to fix my hair without putting so much effort in. So once you practice this enough times, you can be in and out in 20 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, turn this on right when you wake up, brush your teeth, put your hair rollers in, do your makeup, and then by the time you're done, you could just take it out, brush it out, and you're out the door. I don't even put any hairspray in. Again, it depends on your hair texture or maybe even where you live. If you live in a humid place, I would put hairspray. My recommendation, the best hairspray that I've tried is a L'Oreal, I don't have it right now, it's in JB's room, but it's a L'Oreal Elnet. It comes in that long bottle. It's the classic gold. They have the unscented. I like the unscented. And actually, when I went to an event many years ago, it was during New York Fashion Week, I was sent there by a hair brand, and the hairstylist that did my hair used the hair brand, but he topped it off with a L'Oreal Elnet. That's when you know it's the real. And that Elnet has been around for ages. It's nice because it's a lightweight. You know what? Let me just go get it. I'm all hyping it up and not even showing you. Just gotta do this first. It has a bunch of scrunchies on it because this is where I store my scrunchies. But anyway, here she is. Oh, I got the extra strong hold. Okay. Get this bottle, the unscented one. Oh, it says here, the finest hairspray used by the finest stylist. The legend of the Elnet Satin. An iconic secret. Hairdressers worldwide have turned to Elnet for decades. Its ultra-fine mist leaves hair feeling clean with a soft, shiny finish and a satin touch. So strong it holds and lasts all day. So fine it disappears at the stroke of a hairbrush. Don't use too much. Alright, it kind of has that like classic hairspray scent. It's like the one that your mom used, you know? Yeah, I say most of these are Kira's scrunchies. It kind of has a little bit of texture now, but you can brush it out and yet it will still hold the wave. And it doesn't leave any white residue. It doesn't leave your hair feeling crunchy. I know my hair will look good all day and even onto the next day. And two classics that you just cannot go wrong with. Highly recommend next time you're at the drugstore. Walmart, Target, CVS, wherever. I need to get on with my day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!